when you come to the hospital with the expectation to get a white teeth, but then you request for teeth washing, which is scaling and polishing, at the end of the procedure, you may be a bit disappointed, right? Especially if your aim is to get a whiter teeth. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer Ohawe and I'm a dentist. So I quickly wanted to make this video in order to answer a question that someone asked me in the comment section. My last long form video was about teeth whitening, and this question was from someone who was asking me what I recommend, like which one of the two I recommend, teeth whitening or teeth washing, right? And I understand that there is a little bit of misconception between the two. Like you have people who come to the hospital with the expectation to get a very white teeth, but then they say they want to wash their teeth. So after you've washed their teeth, they look at the mirror and they don't see any, you know, any extreme change. Their teeth basically look the same, and they feel a bit disappointed, or they sometimes they even feel cheated, right? So I also feel it's important to explain these two things or these two procedures. Now, teeth washing is also known as scaling and polishing because that is what the procedure is about. We scale the teeth and take out the dirt deposited on the surface of the teeth. I have a video on this. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box so you can also watch the video. I think the title is Why You Should Get a Professional Teeth Cleaning. So you get a whole idea on what the teeth cleaning does for you. So now, when you come to the hospital with the expectation to get a white teeth, but then you request for teeth washing, which is scaling and polishing, at the end of the procedure, you may be a bit disappointed, right? Especially if your aim is to get a whiter teeth. Now, why is this so? Let me explain. Let's say you have a white shirt, right? So this white shirt is dirty and you want to make it whiter. There are two things you can do. You can wash the clothes, right? If you wash the clothes, you remove the dirt on the clothes. And by washing the clothes, you can also improve the appearance of those clothes. Now, you can also decide to bleach the clothes. Now, bleaching the clothes is what is going to make it whiter, whereas washing the clothes is going to make it cleaner. So when someone asks me which one do I recommend, teeth washing or teeth whitening, what I'm going to ask the person based on this explanation I just gave is, which one do you want to achieve? Do you want to get a cleaner teeth or do you want to get a whiter teeth? Now, so in some cases where your teeth are stained, and depending on the cause of these things, like if the cause of these things are extrinsic, meaning that they are from things you've eaten that are deposited on your teeth, by washing your teeth, that is scaling and polishing, you can get rid of those things on your teeth and have a cleaner teeth. And by having a cleaner teeth, your teeth would also appear whiter, right? Relatively, it's not going to be two shades lighter than it was, but those things that were on your teeth before that might have given it a brownish color or a yellowish color, when you take them out, they can improve the appearance of your teeth, but they will not inherently make your teeth two shades whiter if that is what you want. Now, but if what you want is to get a whiter teeth, then what you should go for is teeth bleaching. But then, would you go on to bleach a cloth that is dirty? Right? So you have a white shirt and this white shirt is dirty. Aren't you going to have to wash it first to get rid of the dirt that already on it before you can now go on to make it whiter? So even if you want to bleach your teeth because you want to get a whiter teeth, it's still important for you to wash your teeth, that is, do the scaling and polishing, because if you get rid of the dirt that on your teeth, then you can now go on and whiten your teeth. So this dirt on your teeth may be the reason why your teeth is not the way you want it to be. It could be the reason why your teeth is not as radiant as you want it to be. So I'm sure with this simple explanation, you now understand the difference between teeth washing, which is what people usually call it. Professionally, it's called scaling and polishing, and teeth whitening. So usually, before you even proceed with a teeth whitening, you'll be requested to do a teeth washing so that we know that we've taken out all the dirt on your teeth, and then we are dealing with just having to whiten your teeth. So yes, so that is what I wanted to explain. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. If you have other questions related to your oral health, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Take care of yourself and have a great day. Bye.